CBFI Indonesia 3 set 30-ton tube ice plant project. CBFI tube ice machines adopt high-efficiency, energy-saving technology, complying with Indonesia's green industry policy and supporting the 2060 net zero emissions goal. Newly upgraded semi-flooded refrigeration system effectively increases output in hot environments. Structural optimization saves 50% on space and installation costs, reducing energy consumption from transport and installation. From remote diagnostics to local support, CBFI has built a fast response service network in Indonesia. Chinese experts plus local team plus parts inventory ensure worry-free production. Over 20 years of deep cultivation in the refrigeration industry, rich experience and professional expertise. CBFI, your one-stop professional refrigeration solution partner.